Good morning all. Today we will discuss about the chain surveying. In this lecture we study on what is chain surveying, principle of chain surveying and terms related with chain surveying, and also we will discuss procedure of chain surveying. Now what is chain surveying? Chain surveying is a measurement of distance using chain or tape is termed as chain surveying or chaining. This is the accurate and commonly employed method in surveying. Now, chain surveying is a type of surveying in which only linear measurements are taken in the field. This type of surveying is done for surveys of small extent to describe the boundaries of plot and land to locate the existing features on them. Now, definition of chain surveying. It is the method of surveying in which the area is divided into two network of triangle and the sides of various triangles are measured directly in the field with a chain or tape and no angular measurement are taken. It means in chain surveying it should be noted that plotting triangles requires the no angular measurement to be made if the three sides are known. In chain surveying used when the ground surface is more or less level, a small area is to be surveyed, a small scale map is to be prepared by chain surveying. The formation of the well conditioned triangle is easy. This is the image of chain surveying. There are different types of chain surveying. In chain, the chain are composed of 100 pieces of 4 mm diameter galvanized mild steel wire bent into rings and the end of joined to each other by 3 circular or oval shaped ring. These rings give flexibility to the chain. The end of chain are provided with the swivel joints so that the chain can be turned without twisting. And in chain, the facilitate easy reading of the chain. The brass tallies are provided. End of the every 10 links from the each end is provided with the tally of one tooth is 10 link and 20th link is provided with a tally of 2 teeth, 30th link with a tally of 3 teeth and 40th link with the tally of 4 teeth, and the middle of chain is provided with a tally of circular shaped. In this image, these are tallies. These help to in reading, and this is our brass handle. Now principle of chain surveying. Principle of chain surveying. The main principle of chain surveying is to provide a framework consist of number of well conditioned triangles or nearly equilateral triangles. Principle of chain surveying. In point, the principle of chain surveying is to divide the area into a number of triangles of suitable sides. Second point is, as a triangle is the only simple plane of geometrical figure which can be plotted from the length of the three sides even if the angles are not known. A network of triangles or triangulation is preferred to in chain surveying if the area to be surveyed as triangular in shape and if the length and sequence of its three sides are recorded, the plane of area can be easily drawn. And this is the sketch diagram for the explaining the terms used in chain surveying. That is baseline, check line, tie line, main survey line. Now, next terms related with chain survey. First one is survey station. What is survey station? Survey stations are the point at the beginning and at the end of the chain line. They may also occur at the convenient position on the chain line. Such stations may be main station, subsidiary station, and tie station. Main station taken along the boundary of an area as controlling point known as main station, and the line joining the main stations are called main survey line. The main survey line should be cover the whole area to be surveyed. The main station are denoted by comma with the letter of A, B, C, D, etc. In this image, A, B, C, D are our main stations, and AB line is main survey line, and BC line is main survey line, CD is also main survey line, and DA main survey line. Now next, subsidiary stations which are on the main survey line or any other survey lines are known as the subsidiary stations. These stations are taken to run the subsidiary lines for dividing the area into triangles, for checking the accuracy of triangles, and for locating interior details. These stations are denoted by this with the letter of S1, S2, S3, etc. In this image, S1 and S2 are our subsidiary stations. In this point, interior details are given. Now next, tie station. These are also the subsidiary stations taken on the main survey lines. Joining the tie stations are known as the tie line. Tie lines are taken to locate the interior details. With interior details, the stations are denoted by this, and with the letter of T1, T2, T3, etc. In this image, T1 and T2 are tie stations. Now next, main survey line. The line joining the main station, that main stations are A, B, C, D. The line joining the main stations are called main survey line or chain survey line. In figure, in the sketch diagram for terms related with the chain surveying, that in AB, BC, CD and DA are the main survey line. Now next is baseline. The line on which the framework of the survey is built is known as the baseline. It is the most important line of the survey. Generally, the longest of the main survey line is considered as the baseline. This line should be measured very carefully and accurately. In this image, the BD line. The BD line is baseline. The baseline is very important line for the chain surveying. Now, check line. A line joining tie station is termed as a tie line. It is the run to take the interior details which are far away from the main lines and also to avoid the long offset it can also serve the check line. In figure, T1, T2 is the tie line. In this figure, this line T1 and T2 is tie line. Next is check line. The line joining the apex point on the triangles to fix the point on its base is known as the check line. It is taken to check the accuracy of the triangle. Sometimes this line is helped to locate the interior details. In figure, CS1 and AS2 is check line. This one, AS2 and CS1 is our check line using for the accuracy of triangle. This is made triangle. Now procedure of chain surveying. Fixed a station A and B at the some distance by fixing the wooden peg to determine the horizontal distance between them. Second step is position of station A and B is fixed by measuring their position from at least 3 permanent object and location. Sketch of station A and B are drawn. Third step is the follower holds the handle of the chain in contact with the peg at station 1. Then the leader takes the other handle of the chain arrow and dragging rod and walks in to the forward direction, dragging the chain with him. Next, after the chain is stretched, properly stretched, completely stretched along the line in follower step on one side of the line with the ranging rod touching the handle in forward direction, dragging the chain with them. The follower directs to leader to stand exactly in the line. The leader puts the scratch at the position and insert an arrow and pegs used for the marking. He then moves the forward with the chain handle with the remaining arrows and ranging rod till the follower reach the next arrow point. Thank you. I hope you all have understand everything in this lecture.